Hey everybody, this is David with Parts and Pieces, and this is
Callie.
I don't know if it was sinking or if it was starting to kind of float. I don't know, we'll find out. We'll have a little fun today though. It just keeps wanting to slide into the pond. I'm gonna see if I can ease this thing out, so hold on. I thought I dropped you in the water. Hold on. If I fall in here, he's gone. Now I got a little bit of a problem. Told you that bank was steep. And every time I move, it wants to keep going in the water. So I'm gonna go get my sidekick. We're gonna put the rope on it and see if I can pull it out. All right, don't go so far into the pond, it will slide. But my trusty sidekick and the old spinner here pulled it right out. That was awesome. I wish I had been here on the last video. Good deal, at least I know it'll do it. Cool beans. We're gonna get this unhooked and go find some more holes. We're gonna get out of the pond though.
All right.
All right, guys, we gave you a little taste of the mud. You've seen a little bit of a build on spinner. I had to use what I had, man. I don't have any more paint. I wanted to paint the rims, makes it stand out. Y'all saw that in a couple videos ago, the hood and all that good stuff. The very last video should be Ratchet mudding. Let me see. I always brought y'all out here a minute ago, but hold on one second. I can't walk out in this, I'm sinking. As you see, I played around quite a bit last night. It didn't do too bad. Like I said though, it's got more torque than it does speed. And but it gets the job done. If it gets stuck, it gets stuck. We're having fun, right? Yeah. Y'all saw earlier, I slid into the pond. It just kind of wanted to keep going. She pulled me out, did great. I think I'm pretty happy with both of them. As of right now, her mower is sinking, so we're not gonna play around too much out here with hers. I'm gonna go ahead and get it back up there. Real quick, I did put that on there, got it on, it's ready to go. Oh, by the way, I've used some of that gutter screen to make a little guard for this, keep debris out of that. Pretty cool, huh? Just an idea for y'all guys. So, all right. Oh, gas tank, cleaned it out. Now it's my extra gas tank, no jug. Let's see here, what else was I going to show you? Oh, I broke the front bumper yesterday or last night doing the other mud video. When y'all heard me say holy crap, I ran over a gigantic stump and it hit underneath here and it busted the bolt heads off right here and popped it up. Other than that, I washed everything out from underneath it last night, but that was really it. All right, well, there's your run around. I'm gonna get Spinner out of here before he digs his own grave. Thank you. You're welcome. There you go, guys. She's gonna see if she can make it through the sand pit. Hopefully I can pull her out. Let's see how well the new tires on the front do. Keep it as straight as possible, give it all your gas and go. Keep the wheels straight. That's all it needed was the wider tires. That way the front doesn't sink in the dirt. Perfect. Right on, right on. Hey guys, we're back. We're home. I hope y'all enjoyed that video. I am tearing him apart, to be honest with you. I'm gonna have to redo his front end. It's getting so loose every time I hit them stumps. Speed, we're gonna fix that. I'm going to check out the rear pulleys, get a little bit more speed in the mud. Spinner did great, to be honest with you, for what he is. I'm glad I changed the front tires. He doesn't bury up in the sand. She had a lot easier time following me, and obviously she has enough guts in that thing that it could pull this out of the pond. So that worked great. I'm glad y'all got to see that. That was fun. I thought I was actually going down. Right where I was, the back of my wheel, if it would have dropped off another just half of it or 6 inches, it's like another 3 foot down right there. So that's why I was kind of freaking out about it. But we got it out, we're good. I'm gonna fix the rear pulley. Well, I'm gonna get another one, a smaller one, see if I can speed this bad boy up. And I'm gonna tighten up the front end a little bit. And hopefully y'all enjoy these mud videos. Finally, we got some. My cameraman was with me today. If she wouldn't, he could be sitting at the bottom of the pond right now. That would have been a cool video too, but luckily not. All right, we're getting out of here. We're gonna go get washed up, get us something to eat. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Y'all stay safe, stay well. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for everything, guys. Thank you for all my followers on Facebook. I'm having a great time with this. I hope y'all enjoy it. Stay well, stay safe, and stay tuned.